Good morning everyone. My name is Hem. I'm a Regional Manager South Asia for HTMI. HTMI stands for Hotel and Tourism Management Institute. We are located in Switzerland. We at HTMI offers various quality focused programs on hotel management, tourism management, culinary arts, baking and pastry arts program. All our programs are designed in such a way that students study 5 months and 5 to 6 months is a guaranteed paid internship arranged by HTMI for every student. During internship, students receive handsome salary. As of now, this is controlled, which is approximately 2,190 Swiss franc per month. Today I am here at Affiniks Study Abroad Kochi office. This year we are offering various scholarship to our deserving candidates upon recommendation by Affiniks. So we welcome the application for August and October intake.